Hello from the Grand Ole Opry in Nashville, Tennessee. Today I'm in Nashville for the first in a series of new events that the university will hold in various cities to meet prospective students and their families. One thing we consistently hear from campus visitors, as well as from our current students and alumni, is how personal and supportive they find the university community. UE is a small campus where relationships are key to our students' educational experience. We're excited to take that same spirit on the road as we talk with high school students and their families about the opportunities available at the university. We'll keep you posted on future events. I'd love to talk with you when we come to your city. One of the enjoyable aspects of meeting prospective students is to let them know about the people they'll encounter, some of whom will become lifelong friends if they come to the University of Evansville. They'll meet everyone from opera singers to entrepreneurs to winners of national robotics competitions. On that note, I'm very pleased to share with you the news of the recent successes of several of our engineering students. Seniors Jordan Stoltz and Eric Whitney won first place in the IEEE Southeast Con hardware competition in Jacksonville, Florida. This competition required them to build a robot that simulated the sorting of cargo. The robot used a sensor to pick up blocks of various colors and sizes and deliver them to appropriate locations. Their robot competed against 51 teams from universities such as Duke, Clemson, and Virginia Tech. We'd also like to congratulate seniors Lucas Phillips and Dan Scheller for placing second in the Trinity College firefighting robot competition in Hartford, Connecticut. They built a robot that navigates a maze, locates a burning candle, and extinguishes the flame. They competed against 48 teams from around the nation and the world, including teams from Brazil and Indonesia. Finally, just this past weekend, our concrete canoe team won first place in the American Society of Civil Engineers Great Lakes Regional Conference at Trine University. They qualified for the Nationals for the fourth time in 5 years in a competition that requires both athletic and academic prowess. They beat out teams from the region's top civil engineering programs, including the University of Wisconsin-Madison, Rose-Hulman, and Notre Dame. This year's canoe is especially interesting. It was inspired by an episode of Mythbusters, I'm sure you're familiar with that program, that showed how a car with a dimpled texture like a golf ball obtained better gas mileage. Our team used this principle on their canoe to reduce drag in the water. We'll be excited to see that canoe in the water in June when the team heads to the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign for the National Concrete Canoe Competition. We're very proud of all of these students. Their success demonstrates that UE's engineering programs are truly among the nation's very best. Back at our campus in Evansville, the spring semester is now winding down. Classes ended on April the 23rd. The next week is spent taking finals and for our seniors preparing for commencement. Please join us for the 155th commencement ceremony, which will take place at 1:30 p.m. on Saturday, May the 4th at the Ford Center in downtown Evansville. We're excited at this commencement to continue with the tradition we established last year. A senior keynote speaker will give the keynote address at commencement rather than a speaker from outside the campus community. This year's speaker is Melinda Hensley, a communication and writing major from Linton, Indiana. This fall, Melinda will attend the University of Southern California's professional writing program with the goal of becoming a writing professor. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts on these podcasts or anything else on your mind about the university. Please send us your feedback to president@evansville.edu or send me a tweet on my Twitter account @TomKazee1. Thanks so much. See you next month.